Leader, Smart Touch, Bluetooth speaker SoundAngel 8, 3rd Gen, Premium Rose Gold Mini Speaker with portable waterproof case, mic TF card AUX, for iPhone iPad shower electronic Christmas gifts. It combined with Smart Touch screen technology and Echo Dot design, Sensitive Touch offers you funny control. Gently touching with your fingertip easily achieves switching the songs and volume control and taking the calls. A fun gift that's guaranteed to bring a smile. Full height of sound with a small body, super compact design, 40mm 5W driver, 3D digital audio processor with subwoofer resonator. You want a loud sound during the meeting? When watching a movie on a computer, at home party, you want a larger volume, better sound? All satisfy you. Muzen Mini Bluetooth Speaker, button metal with lanyard, vintage radio with old-fashioned classic style, portable wireless loud volume speaker for home, office, kitchen, party, travel, outdoor. With 5-watt amplifiers processing audio output, this mini retro speaker sounds amazingly richer and louder without any distortion. The compact retro Bluetooth speaker only takes a space of 2.48 by 1.85 by 1.18 inches with a 400 mAh built-in rechargeable battery, up to 8 hours playtime. Let's go back to the old days. This vintage speaker has retro and elegant appearance. It uses square design and blends modern technology with retro classic aesthetics, combining the latest and best digital audio tech. We can feel like back into the golden age of music in 1950s, enjoying a soothing moment in today's busy life. With the advanced Bluetooth technology, this retro Bluetooth speaker could connect with your smart equipment in less than 1 second.